Hi students, now I am going to explain the solutions for assignment given on integration. In the first question, the first bit is integral x power 8 dx. This function can be integrated with the help of the formula integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, x power 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1. The final answer is x power 9 by 9. The second bit integral x power 1 by 2 dx. For this integration I is equal to x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. Bit C integral 1 by x square dx. 1 by x square can be written as x power minus 2. So, its integration is x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So, final answer is minus 1 by x. Bit D integral 2 into x power 3 by 2 dx. The constant 2 taken outside, integral x power 3 by 2 dx is equal to x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. So, the answer is 4 by 5 into x power 5 by 2. Bit E integral 4 into x power minus 1 by 3 dx, that is equal to 4 into x power minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by minus 1 by 3 plus 1. After simplification you will get 6 into x power 2 by 3. Bit F integral 4 into x cube plus 3 into x square plus 1 dx. So, in this function there are 3 functions are there. We have to integrate each and every one. For the first one 4 into x power 4 by 4 plus, for second function 3 into x cube by 3 plus, for third one integral dx is equal to x. So, the final answer is x power 4 plus x cube plus x. Now, bit G integral e power x plus 1 by x dx. Integral e power x dx is equal to e power x plus integral 1 by x dx is equal to log x to the base e. Bit H, in this 3 functions are given. For first one 3 into integral 1 by x dx is equal to log x to the base e minus 4 into integral x square dx is equal to x cube by 3 plus 5 into integral root x can be written as x power 1 by 2. So, its integration is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So, the final answer is 3 log x to the base e, that is written as ln x minus 4 by 3 into x cube plus 10 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. In question number 2, the 5 functions are given, all are relating with a definite integration. So, we have to use the limits. Bit A integral 0 to 3x square plus 2x dx. For this 3 is taken outside. For first function integral x square dx is equal to x cube by 3, limits 0 to 2. For second function 2 into integral x square integral x dx nothing but x square by 2, limits 0 to 2. First we have to substitute the upper limit 2 in the place of x minus in the place of x we have to substitute the lower limit. So, 2 cube minus 0 cube plus second one 2 square minus 0 square. So, finally, you will get 12. For second bit integral 4 to 9 root x dx. Integral root x dx is equal to x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, lower limit 4, upper limit 9. We have to substitute 9 in the place of x minus 4 in the place of x. So, finally, after simplification, you will get 38 by 3. Bit C, integral 0 to 1 x dx. Integral x dx equal to x square by 2. Now, we have to substitute the limits. So, 1 by 2 into 1 square minus 0 square. So, the final answer is 1 by 2. Bit D, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. We know that integral cos x dx is equal to sin x. Now, you have to substitute the limits 0 to pi by 2. So, first upper limit in the place of x. So, sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. Sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, sin 0 is equal to 0. So, the final answer is equal to 1. Bit E, integral 0 to 1 e power x dx. We know that integral e power x dx is equal to e power x only. Now, substitute the limits, apply the limits e power 1 minus e power 0. Anything to the power of 1 is equal to same value. So, e, anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So, e power 0 equal to 1. So, the final answer is e minus 1. Now, question number 3. In this 4 bits are given. The first one is integral 1 to 2 x plus 2 whole square dx. Integral x power 2 whole square dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, x plus 2 whole power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, and you have to multiply the coefficient of x in the denominator. So, that is equal to 1. Now, apply the limits 1 to 2. So, that is equal to 1 by 3 into, in the place of x, first we have to substitute upper limit 2 minus in the place of x we have to substitute lower limit 1. Now, after simplification you will get 37 by 3 as the answer. Now, bit B, integral 0 to 2 e power 2x dx. We know that integral e power 2x dx is equal to e power 2x by coefficient of x that is a 2. Now, apply the limits 0 to 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into e power 2 into 2 minus e power 2 into 0, that is equal to finally 1 by 2 into e power 4 minus 1. Now, bit C, integral 0 to pi by 4 cos 2x dx. Integral cos x dx is equal to sin x. So, sin 2x by, now you have to multiply the coefficient of x in the denominator. So, the integral cos 2x dx is equal to sin 2x by 2. Now, apply the limits 0 to pi by 4. Sin 2 pi by 4 nothing but pi by 2 sin 90 equal to 1 minus sin 2 into 0 sin 0 equal to 0. So, finally, the answer is 1 by 2. Now, bit D, integral 0 to x 1 by a minus x whole square dx. For this, first we have to take a minus x whole square to the numerator, it becomes a minus x whole power minus 2. Now, the its integration is a minus x whole power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, and we have to multiply the coefficient of x in the denominator, that is minus 1. After that, apply the limits Finally, you will get x by a into a minus x. So, in question number 3, all are of one type. Once again, we have to take that coefficient of x and it is to be multiplied in the denominator. Now, how these integration formulae are useful in solving the problems in physics. So, based on that concept, we have three problems, problem number 4, 5, 6. In problem number 4, the velocity of a particle is given as v equal to v naught plus gt plus ft square. If its position is x is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0, then its displacement after unit time is dash. Unit time is t is equal to 1 second. To find out the displacement from the formula v is equal to dx by dt, so dx is equal to v dt. Now we have to take the integration on both the sides. Integral dx is nothing but x and integral v dt, the given function we have to substitute here. Now, after integration v naught t plus g into t square by 2 f into t cube by 3, you have to apply the limits 0 to 1. So, v naught plus g by 2 plus f by 3 is the displacement of the particle after 1 second. Now, problem number 5. A particle is moving with velocity v equal to 4t cube plus 3t square minus 1 meter per second. Then the displacement of the particle in time t is equal to 1 second to t is equal to 2 second. Time interval, we have to find out the displacement of the time interval 1 second to 2 second. Again, from the basic formula v is equal to dx by dt. So, integral dx is equal to integral v dt, limits are 1 to 2, because in this problem we have to find out the displacement in the time interval 1 to 2 second. So, x is equal to integral 1 to 2, the function v is given as 4t cube plus 3t square minus 1, we have to substitute here into dt. T cube integration t power 4 by 4, t square integration t cube by 3, integral dt nothing but t. After applying the limits, you will get 15 plus 7 minus 1, that is equal to 21. So, 21 meter is the displacement in the time interval 1 second to 2 second. Now, in problem number 6, the acceleration a in meter per second square of a particle is given by a equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 2 meter per second square, where t is the time. If the particle starts with a velocity u equal to 2 meter per second at t is equal to 0. So, its initial velocity is 2 meter per second, and we have to find out the velocity at the end of second. So, that is after 2 seconds we have to find out the velocity. Now, the relation between the acceleration and velocity, the instantaneous acceleration a equal to dv by dt. From this we have to find out velocity with the help of integration. So, integral dv is equal to integral a dt, and we have to apply the limits, as initial velocity is 2 meter per second and final velocity we have to find out. So, integral 2 to v dv is equal to integral 0 to a dt. Integral 0 to 2 acceleration function is 3t square plus 2t plus 2 dt. So, after integration you will get this equation. After substituting the limits, v minus 2 is equal to 3 cancel, 2 cube minus 0 means 8 minus 0 plus 2 square minus 0, 4 minus 0 plus 2 minus 0. So, the final velocity means velocity after 2 seconds v is equal to 2 plus 8 plus